Welcome back to another thrilling episode. Today, we embark on an exhilarating journey to explore the extraordinary world of wildcats. From the fierce Pallas's cat to the aquatic fishing cat and the adorable sand cat, get ready to witness the awe-inspiring wonders of these magnificent creatures. This enigmatic creature, known as the Pallas's cat or manual, possesses a malevolent aura, perpetually dissatisfied and exuding a dangerous cunning. Its temperament seems forever shrouded in a somber haze, making it wise to steer clear when it wears this disquieting demeanor. This beast, without provocation, reacts to the world with an unnerving aggression. What drives these wildcats to harbor such hostility? Let us embark on an exploration to uncover the truth. First, let us acquaint ourselves with a few facts. The Pallas's cat, also known as the manual, is a carnivorous mammal belonging to the Felidae family. It dwells in steppe and semi-desert regions of West and Central Asia, as well as the southern parts of Siberia. These stealthy creatures strive to keep their distance from both humans and their fellow species. Forget the regal prides of lions. The Pallas's cat relishes solitude and often maintains a staggering separation of 5 kilometers from its counterparts. In an area spanning approximately 100 square kilometers, a mere 4 to 8 of these elusive felines may coexist. To put things into perspective, if human settlements were as sparse as Pallas's cat, Toronto would house a meager population of 25 to 50 individuals. Despite their diminutive stature compared to lions or humans, with a body length ranging from 46 to 65 centimeters and tails measuring 21 to 31 centimeters, the manual size resembles that of a domestic cat. However, do not expect any affable feline camaraderie or fondness for humans. Manual resists any form of companionship. Instead, it thrives as a formidable predator, well versed in the art of hunting. Its fangs are nearly 3 times longer than those of an ordinary cat. If you have ever experienced the bite of a domestic pet, multiply that sensation by 3 and add to it the ferocity of a wild predator. Its jaws possess a vice-like grip, unyielding until its desired objective is attained. Beneath the exotic allure lies a stocky cat with sturdy legs and a remarkably dense coat, which imparts an illusion of greater size and weight. Among all feline species, the manual boasts the longest fur, distributed strategically with double the length on its stomach and tail compared to its top and sides. This arrangement supposedly aids in preserving warmth when the manual stalks its prey over snowy or frozen terrains. Furthermore, the length and thickness of their fur vary in accordance with the seasons. During winter, the fur of Pallas's cat becomes even thicker, longer, and more substantial. What more can be said of this fluffy creature, brimming with unadulterated fury, astounding swiftness, and maneuverability? However, nature, in its wisdom, deemed it prudent to limit the manual's universal hunting capabilities, rendering it a rather cumbersome and slow specimen among wildcats. Running is not a forte for the manual. It prefers to conceal itself among rocks when confronted by a significantly larger adversary. Yet when detected, the Pallas's cat adopts an offensive stance, reminiscent of berserkers in ancient lore. Its hunting tactics bear no resemblance to a mere pursuit. Such endeavors would prove futile. Hey there, fellow cat lovers! We appreciate your presence today. If you found this video informative, kindly give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay updated on more valuable content. Moreover, it would be great if you could share your personal experiences and insights in the comments section. Together, let's establish a supportive community where we can all acquire knowledge and develop together. Manual's diet primarily consists of swift pikas, rodents, and insects. It skillfully shadows its prey, employing the cover of short vegetation and rocky terrain. Its camouflage coat ensures seamless integration with the surrounding landscape, rendering the manual virtually invisible even within mere footsteps. Additionally, the unique shape of its ears enhances its camouflage, allowing it to blend inconspicuously amidst low grass. However, it often lies in wait near burrow entrances, ambushing unsuspecting prey as they emerge. With its razor-sharp fangs, the Pallas's cat strikes, ensuring a firm grip that does not relinquish until its objective is secured. But let us not overlook the exceptional attributes of the manual. Already mentioned is its dense fur, but the sheer thickness is beyond imagination. Approximately 9,000 hairs are believed to populate each square centimeter of its coat. This is not a mere animal. It is a veritable fur ball with paws and fangs. Thanks to its substantial fur, the Pallas's cat effortlessly endures frigid temperatures, even ascending lofty mountains up to 4,800 meters above sea level, where temperatures may plummet to -50 degrees Celsius. Yet, such adversities fail to disrupt Manuel's customary way of life. It hunts during twilight and morning hours, retreating to a sheltered den in the afternoon when the chill freezes saliva and mouth alike. Yet the Pallas's cat remains unperturbed. Notably, its eyes bear an uncanny resemblance to those of humans. While domestic cats possess vertical pupils, the Pallas's cat's pupils are circular. Tigers and lions also share this trait, which long baffled scientists. However, it seems that the peculiar pupil shape serves a purpose related to the diversity of Manuel's territory. Unlike other small cats, the Pallas's cat roams through deserts, steppes, and mountains, necessitating circular pupils to thrive in such varied environments. Now let us delve into the intriguing realm of reproduction. Despite its aggressive and solitary nature, the Pallas's cat exhibits proficiency in procreation, giving rise to a new generation of diminutive feline counterparts. Even hunting, which can endanger many species, poses no significant threat to the Manuel's population. Perhaps their relatively abundant numbers account for this resilience, or it could be due to their combative disposition, which is hardly surprising. However, encountering a Manuel in the wild proves exceedingly rare. These elusive creatures maintain a vast separation from one another and possess an unparalleled mastery of the art of disguise. They harbor a profound aversion to human encounters. Witnessing an irate Pallas's cat firsthand would swiftly impress upon you the wisdom of such avoidance. Yet, let us not forget that Pallas's cat is not the sole extraordinary member of the felid family. Allow me to introduce the fishing cat, a wild predator inhabiting the realms of Southeast Asia. As you may have surmised, this cat's expertise lies in capturing fish. It reigns supreme in aquatic environments, where domestic cats would timidly recoil from wet paws when confronted with a mere puddle. Most wild cats harbor an aversion to water, but the fishing cat defies convention. This exceptional feline not only adeptly navigates shallow waters, but also exhibits a remarkable swimming ability. It seems that the abundance of diverse water bodies in its habitat necessitated the acquisition of aquatic prowess for survival and sustenance. The fishing cat has indeed evolved into a consummate swimmer. Towering over domestic cats, it boasts robust musculature and a broad chest. Males can weigh up to 15 kilograms, but more importantly, the fishing cat possesses webbed paws that aid in water locomotion and enable it to capture and secure its primary prey, fish. Moreover, the tropical fishing cat possesses specialized nostril structure, enabling it to hold its breath and dive underwater. We have been discussing cats, akin to those adorable domestic creatures that we often seek to caress, yet the fishing cat provokes a sense of envy among its feline relatives due to its unparalleled piscine prowess. These patient hunters lie in wait for their prey, simulating insect movements on the water's surface, only to unleash lightning-fast assaults when the opportune moment arrives. Should fishing fail for some inexplicable reason, these cats easily find alternative food sources, which may include waterfowl like ducks. Notably, the fishing cat sports a short tail. Unlike other felines, it has discarded the need for an elongated tail that serves no purpose in water, hindering rather than aiding its aquatic exploits. Social interactions among fishing cats are infamous for their pugnaciousness and domineering nature, much to the chagrin of other feline species. However, they are fortunate in their avoidance of human encounters. It is worth mentioning an anecdote where a fishing cat successfully chased away a pack of dogs. Another tale tells of a fishing cat that allegedly snatched a 4-month-old child in Singapore, although this particular incident lacks documented evidence. Nonetheless, a large male fishing cat housed in a zoo once escaped its enclosure and entered the domain of a leopard, subsequently overpowering and killing it. Perhaps the unfortunate leopard had cast an ill-fated glance in the fishing cat's direction. It comes as no surprise that adult fishing cats prefer solitude, only concerning themselves with offspring when necessary. Similar to the Pallas's cat, they exhibit a temperament that can be described as less than amiable. And now, prepare for something undeniably endearing. The sand cat, often hailed as the smallest of wild cats, measures no more than 90 centimeters in length, 40 centimeters of which account for its tail. These adorable creatures call the hottest regions their home, from the Sahara Desert to the Arabian Peninsula and certain parts of Central Asia. They thrive in exceedingly dry and arid environments with minimal vegetation, though who would choose such a setting is beyond comprehension. Yet, in the face of scorching temperatures reaching 51 degrees Celsius on the surface, the sandcat carries on with its existence unimpeded. Evolution has bestowed upon it an impressive set of adaptations to survive in such inhospitable conditions. For instance, its paws are covered in fur, shielding them from scorching sands. These little predators endure water scarcity with remarkable ease, obtaining moisture predominantly from their diet. Gerbils, small rodents, lizards, spiders, and insects comprise the majority of their food sources. Furthermore, when the opportunity presents itself, sandcats fearlessly take on even venomous snakes, such as vipers. Present them with 2 captives during a hunt, and the sandcat will ensure that both will be devoured. Should the prey prove too large for a single meal, this cunning cat adeptly buries it in the sand, creating a natural refrigerator for future consumption. Additionally, sandcats possess comically small ears, which surprisingly aid in tracking prey underground. Cats are truly remarkable creatures. However, while our domesticated feline companions provide endless joy and companionship, it is crucial to maintain a respectful distance from their wild counterparts. Though undeniably cute and fluffy, the unpredictable nature of wildcats, coupled with their ferocity and self-reliance, reminds us that they are indeed wild animals. One can never be certain when a wildcat may decide to include a human on its menu. It is best to admire these incredible creatures from a safe distance and appreciate their magnificence in their natural habitats. Watch the next awesome cat video coming up.